Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by provisioning a small VPS and pointing a domain or record to its IP. This lets you obtain TLS and mask traffic. Once the VM is ready, log in as root, update packages, and install curl and unzip so you can fetch installers. Next, enable UFW and open port 443 plus a range for optional alternate ports. This prevents connectivity problems later. Then generate a stable UUID now. You will paste it into V2ray configuration in the very next step. Now install the V2ray core using the official script and confirm the binary is present. Once installed, open the config. JSON and define a vmess inbound that uses your UUID, set alter ID to 0, and choose WebSocket transport with a distinct path. Bind the V2ray listener to 127, 0, 0, 1 so a reverse proxy can handle TLS and host header. Once configured, test the JSON with V2ray test to catch syntax errors before adding TLS and proxy layers. Finish by terminating TLS with caddy or Nginx on port 443 and proxying WebSocket traffic to V2ray on localhost. This masks VPN traffic as regular HTTPS. Then create a client profile, either a vmess URI or JSON, and import it into your client app, testing a connection and basic browsing. If it fails, make sure the service is enabled in systemd. Inspect V2ray logs for handshake errors, confirm firewall rules allow 443, and verify your TLS certificate is valid. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.